Dear viewers, welcome to our Fashion Genie channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of new kitchen gadgets design ideas. There's nothing better than a nice, home-cooked meal. It's cheaper, healthier and overall more satisfying than just putting a frozen pizza in the oven or ordering pricey takeout food. If long working hours and commutes don't always leave you with enough time to spend at the kitchen, don't worry. These must-have kitchen gadgets are guaranteed time savers and can help even the less talented cook create delicious recipes. Sometimes, it's the smallest tasks that people find the most difficult in the kitchen. Peeling, chopping and opening cans are tricky tasks that sometimes require a little extra help. Cooking is an art where you can express yourself in a versatile way. It also is a great stress-busting activity for many. But let's face it, cooking does take a lot of time and patience to master. After a hard day of work, all you want is to eat some nice food and get some sleep. You cannot depend on food delivery regularly, so if you want or not, but you have to enter the kitchen every now and then to cook some delicious food for yourself. What if we tell you that there are many gadgets in the market which make your work in the kitchen a little easier and less messy? Different types of new kitchen gadgets designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.